So I invested in a movie theater room over my bonus room, and what I tried to do was come up with some unique lighting. So I have a lot of LEDs and stuff like that, which kind of made my movie room a little bit more unique. Was I tried to combine a sky mural galaxy with also fiber optic LED lights. So when I did the galaxy, I was talking to Night Sky Murals, and the price to get the, I think it's an N65, I'm sure my number's not right, lights, I think UN65. So it would play during the TV and not drown out my stars. I thought was crazy expensive. You know, I did a lot of LED light strips that are 20 bucks and stuff like that, and he was obviously significantly more. So in my business, I deal with importers, so I reached out to a gentleman in China, and I actually brought in my own N65 or whatever they are lights, blacklight strips. And that's what they look like when I turn these on top here. So if you look at them, it barely glows up my stars. I'm not sure how good the video comes out. So really took a lot of time, put them in my soffits, and I actually put them over the fiber optic lights, and it did absolutely nothing other than when I shut them off, it made the outside borders really bright. So speaking with Jeff at that, I sucked it up. I bought his lights, and this is what his look like, which are a gazillion times better. And if I shut off my lights, which is hard with video, you can see it actually illuminates it out a good 3 feet or so, side to side. So in hindsight, it's kind of the old saying, you get what you pay for. In my case, I spent a lot of money in China and got garbage, and bought Jeff's. He was terrific explaining it to me. And even though it costs more money, it works and it makes it look like a galaxy. So I'd strongly suggest save yourself a headache, do it right the first time, and make a little investment in those. Thank you.